Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for another one of my 52 new restaurants in 2017. And today's new restaurant is a little place called Peachtree. I think it's Peachtree Cafe. I know it's at least Peachtree. Came up here for Richard's choice. I guess he wanted to go somewhere and eat and then go for a walk on the beach. So we ended up here right by Daytona area, Ormond Beach. Ormond Beach Garage is actually right next to where it was. The home of the speed shop, I think is what it's claimed to fame is. So camp here though, and of course it's booked out. It's Father's Day, so it's crazy busy and stuff. Ended up waiting around a little bit, thinking they were offering out mimosas, which they kind of made it sound like it was they're offering out free mimosas for the delay and the wait. And we're like, yeah, what the hell? So Karen had one. I don't drink. Richard didn't want one, so went ahead, just kind of chilled out there a little bit. Finally got our table. I got seated from there. Went ahead and ordered food. Delicious little food. It was just kind of a, I don't know, kind of a high-end cafe. Not really like super high-end, but like a medium-grade cafe where it's not a Denny's or a Perkins, but it's also not, 7-course meals either. So it was a nice place, way overrun and understaffed for what it was. They were super busy, so it was a little bit of running behind on things. Had a great meal though. It was definitely a fun time. We got everything chilled out, and then we got the bill and realized they charged us like $7.95 for that free mimosa that was up by the front door while waiting, which was ridiculous because it was not cold. It was like kind of not even that great, which Karen didn't complain about because it was free, she thought, and then it's like $8 later or something. Like that was not very well described, I guess, in the process. We was not very pleased with that whole process, but overall it's a fine little place. Don't really see myself ever going back there again, just because it was not outlandishly spectacular. It was not unique. It was not anything really special. It's not really like on our regular route of where we would be going. So, but overall, glad we had it. From there, went out and walked on the beach with Richard. He's got some issues. I don't know what it is. If it's his equilibrium, he had his teeth done or something, but he's got his balance is like way off, and he was having trouble walking on the beach. Like he kept almost falling down. I had to keep grabbing him, and at one point I finally had to just reach down and grab the back of his pants, like where his belt and stuff is, and walked him out of there like you would like a nursing home type thing. And Karen had to go get the car and bring it over to us, and it was just kind of a pain in the butt. And unfortunately, where I grabbed him originally is my left hand, where I've hurt my hand. And I had like literally tears going on my face, but it was like that or letting him fall down. So we finally got Karen in front and got him repositioned and got switched hands, which worked a lot better for me. So my right hand's a lot better because that left hand still got injuries and stuff going on. So went ahead though, got him back to the car, got him home, got him in the house and stuff. So it was kind of a weird little turn of events at the end of the meal. But overall, the meal itself, like I said, it wasn't bad. It just wasn't great. So that's all I got for right now. I will talk to y'all soon. Have yourself a safe and wonderful day. Thanks for watching.